Okay, I'm here again with the I'm here again with my C-Fly Faith 2 in this flying spot again. I will be doing a second range test of C-Fly Faith 2 because last time the farthest distance I reached was 1,700 meters or 1.7 kilometers, and that was my farthest range I've ever reached with my C-Fly Faith 2. And I was just using the the controller, but today I purchased a yagi antenna. Maybe this gonna enhance the signal, and I hope I could be able to reach more distance using this what do you call this, yagi antenna. They call it yagi antenna. It is believed to enhance the signal and would help to reach more range using this antenna. And okay, C-Fly Faith 2 again, range test. Okay, second attempt of range test, because I believe because the advertised range that this drone can be able to go or reach is 5,000 meters or 5 kilometers. So I already reached 1,700 meters, and I believe still very far from the advertised I believe it is still very far from the advertised range. So I believe I can still reach more distance with this drone, I hope. And yeah, as you can see, I am using a yagi antenna. They call it yagi antenna for enhance signal. So yeah, I wanna go and click C-Fly Faith 2, and I'm already bound or connected to the drone, and hopefully I can be able to connect right away, because lately I am experiencing again the battery error, battery error popping out. So I am just like before, during I did my range test, which I reached 1,700 meters. I am in the same location, same spot, and the same time. I just don't know the weather, if it's really exact or very much the same as I did my range test before. But anyway, so almost same time, same location, and I will fly my drone in right that location, because I did my range test in that location, in that spot, going that spot. So that's what I reach my that's where I reach my 1,700 meters distance. Hopefully I can be able to exceed that range, because right now I'm using a range extender. They call it yagi antenna. Okay, so I'll go ahead, and good thing there's no battery error popping out. Oops, video, I almost forgot. So yes, 96% battery, 95. I'll fly, or I'll take my drone at maybe 80 meters height. Okay, so yeah, forward. Hopefully I can be able to exceed the 1700 meters range. Okay, so my height altitude is 80. Okay, 81, that's it. So yeah, going. I hope I can be able to exceed 1700 meter range. Okay, right now I am 250 range distance, so I'm in a full pitch, full throttle, full pitch. Okay, 389. Okay, I'm using this yagi antenna. It is believed to enhance the signal, hopefully. So 5,000 sorry, 570. Okay, 640 range, 700. Okay, with signal booster. Up 700. I think my FPV is no longer moving. Oh my, 790. It's no longer okay. Oh no, 897 distance, almost half. Oh my, it's returning back home. It's returning to its oh, that's just about 800 meters. So the drone just initiated return to home. Oh my. Okay, anyway, I will be having a second attempt again, just like I did before. You see that 356, and it's coming back. Oh my god, this is not what I expect from this C-Fly Faith to drone, because before I reached 1700 meters and without using this kind of range extender or signal booster. Okay, cancel return to home. I want to try another one. Okay, another try. Okay, second attempt again. Okay, I will add more altitude. This time I will be flying at the altitude of 100. Okay, let's find out again. 79% battery. Okay, the farthest distance I've reached was 1700. Okay, full pitch. Full pitch. I'm using a range extender. Okay. Okay, 100 meters altitude, almost 300 meter range, using signal or the yagi antenna. What happened? Okay, am I having a horizon tilt? Okay, 500, 540. I hope this. Okay, 600, and my FPV freezes. Oh no, oh no. Please. More range, please. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. I think this yagi antenna doesn't help. It doesn't help at all to enhance or to boost the signal of the drone or the antenna or of the controller, or the signal of the controller. It doesn't help at all. You see, it's coming back again. No. Cancel. Okay, I'm going to no, this is not a good drone. Oh no. I feel so frustrated. Nakaka-frustrate.